Hi there, this is another video from me. And I am Joost. With a lightboard you can do some amazing things like writing on it while you're looking at the camera. So I created a do-it-yourself lightboard, and on the internet there's a lot of do-it-yourself lightboards for about $100. And that is also something that I did. So the important thing is of course glass. And there are different types of glass, of course, and the best glass you can get for a lightboard is Starfire. But in my case I have to order it and I didn't want to wait, so I bought something from IKEA. So IKEA do have some glass tops for cabinets, and you can't see it, but there are 3 holes in it which you can easily use it. And an IKEA glass is about $20. It's a little bit bigger, and that gives you enough space to do all kinds of things on the side. So the glass is very important, and the IKEA glass, it's rounded, so when you have the edge, it's rounded. So when you have a close look at the edge over here, you see it's somewhat greenish. So if you have the light strip, and the light strip is not flat but also a little bit curved, you will have some lights outside of the glasses. So we have to make some kind of profile around the glass and the LED strip. And that's also the second part which is important, it's the lighting. So I used LED strip. It's about $30 because I used 2 light strips. At the bottom it's warm white, and at the top I have a dual strip, and it's very bright, and also to the front of me. So not only for the glass but also to the front. Then I use some bookshelves. So something like this from iron, 4 pieces. That's also about, let's say, $25. And I use them just to have the glass over here and then the other one over here, and then you clamp them together. So I have 4 clamps, and so you can easily use the clamps over there, and 4 clamps is about $8. Of course everything is painted black, and the background should also be darkish, preferable something in black. Also your clothes a little bit dark so you can write over it, so you have to a backdrop. In this case it's just black. And then of course you have the special chalk writing things. These are Sharpie. You do have them all kind of colors which you can easily use. So am I forgetting something? Well, nothing that I bought, but what is also very important is a camera, mic. In this case it's a little bit hollow because I'm using the camera which is built in the GoPro, which is on the other side of the glass, and also some software. To create the video I'm using Camtasia, but there are other freeware programs like what is it, OBS or OSB, Streamlabs, or Labs, Camtasia, etc. And why do you need the software? It's not just a recording, because you have to flip it. I'm just writing with my right, but you will see it that or you think that I'm writing left, but that's not the case. When you have some clothes, don't put logos on it because it's also going to be mirrored. And that's basically it. So for about $100, including some painting, and not have to buy all those things because I already had it. yeah, it's something. There are some light boards way more expensive, and that's because of the Starfire glass, because of the lighting, the backdrop, the camera. Maybe it's a 4K camera with some polarization. I don't have a screen on the other side of the camera, but it is all possible. So do-it-yourself light board. It's nice, it's fun, but is it professional? Not yet. Thanks for watching and see you next time.